Unbelievably, a boat has just come down the Hurleston flight in this wind and rain. That doesn't look like a hire boat to me, although it could be. That looks like an Elton Moss boat. Crikey. You couldn't get me to move in this weather for love nor money. And I can't keep the wind. See, he's having to give it welly, but he's not going to get off the side because the wind's got him, the boat trapped there. I mean, this boat weighs 18 tons, and when the wind is pushing it, it's not going to go anywhere. And Hurleston Junction is infamous for this, because the land slopes down from above. And even on a mildly windy day, it'll sweep down onto the cut and it'll push slow-moving boats that are coming through the bridge. It'll push them over to the side. Oh, blimey. I think if I were... There's rings there. If I were them, I'd moor up there and call it good. Crikey. Sorry about this moving around, but the boat is sort of pitching with the wind. Trying to brace myself here. And that's also a curve, so it's really hard to get off that curve. I can't do it. Bless him. Bless him. See, you can see how much welly he's given that engine. That's reverse. Come on, mate. Call it good and we're up. You're not going to be in anybody else's way. Right, so his partner, who I think is a woman, is on the bow, and she's got a barge pole, and she's trying to push the bow off the side while he gives it welly, which for Americans and other Europeans means you've got the engine at full bore. And she's trying to get back on before the wind pushes them up. Nope, see? Back against the side again. Now, she's going to take the tiller, and he's going to push it off. He's thinking with his stronger upper body, he's going to be able to do it. They might have. They just might have. Oh, no. Now he's going in reverse. No, he's going forward. By gum, I think they did it. Crikey. Wow.